Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox on PS5. First, head over to your PlayStation 5 home screen and navigate to the PlayStation Store. Search for Roblox and download the free application. It's a quick and easy process, usually taking just a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Make sure your console's software is up to date for the best experience. Once Roblox is installed, launch the application. You'll be prompted to either log in with an existing Roblox account or create a brand new one. If you already play on other devices, simply enter your credentials. New players can easily sign up right on the console. Linking your PlayStation Network account is a simple, one-time step that enhances your experience. With your account set up, you're ready to explore the vast world of Roblox. The DualSense controller provides a familiar and responsive way to navigate menus and interact within games. You can browse through thousands of unique experiences, from action-packed adventures to creative simulations. Joining a game is as simple as selecting it and pressing the X button. To make the most of your Roblox experience on PS5, consider adjusting in-game settings to suit your preferences. You can often tweak graphics for better performance or visual fidelity. Remember to use the PlayStation's robust parental controls to manage access and spending for younger players. For social interaction, connect a headset to chat with friends in many supported games.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.